PDU 6, problem number 3. For the bivariate probability distribution of x, y given below, this table is given now. So far in the previous problem we have constructed this table. Now the question is find P of capital X less than or equal to 1. So for addition it is better to have, I rewrite this table as follows: 0, 0. I am going to make 64 is the highest value. I make all terms with 64 as the denominator. So multiply 2 and denominator 2 by 64. Next one is 4 by 64. 4 by 64. This is 6 by 64. Here 1 by 16 multiplied by 4. 4 by 64. 4 by 64. 8 multiply both numerator and denominator by 8. 8 by 64. Again 8 by 64. 8 by 64. To have common denominator, so the addition is simple. Here multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 by 64. 2 by 64. 1 by 64. 1 by 64, 0. This is 2 by 64. Now we know horizontally y is varying. That means we will get p suffix x of x. When y varies horizontally, adding 2 plus 4, 6, 10, 16 by 64. This is 8 plus 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 40 by 64. Next one, 4, 5, 6, 8, 8 by 64. This is px of x. Vertically x varies. So vertical total will give py of y. This is marginal PMF. This is marginal PMF of x. This is marginal PMF of y. Marginal PMF of y. 4 plus 2, 6 by 64. 2 plus 4, 6 by 64. 11 by 64. 9 plus 4, 13 by 64. 8 plus 4, 12 by 64. 14 plus 2, 16 by 64. We can add and check. 16, 56, 64. 16, 28 plus 41. 41 plus 11, 52. 52 plus 12, 64. Okay. Total probability is 1. Now we will answer one by one. First we will have to calculate P of capital X less than or equal to 1. So this is equal to P of capital X equal to 0 plus P of capital X is equal to possible values of x 0, 1, 2. So less than or equal to 1 means 1 and 0. This is our P x of 0 plus px of 1. That is marginal px of 0. Here this is px of 0. 16 by 64 plus px of 1. 40 by 64 equal to 56 by 64. Whenever you want to simplify, you can simplify, no problem. So P of y less than or equal to 3. P of y less than or equal to 3. This is P of y is equal to 0 plus P of y is equal to 1 plus P of y is equal to 2 plus P of y is equal to 3. P of y equal to 0 means Py of 0 plus Py of 1, marginal PDFs. Py of 2, Py of 2 plus Py of 3. Py of y is here, 6 by 64 plus another 6 by 64 plus 11 by 64 plus 13 by 60. 6, 6, 11. Y equal to 0 is not there. So therefore this is y is equal to 1, 2, 3, less than or equal to only 3. This is not there. That is y is equal to 1, no 0 for y. Y equal to 2, y equal to 3. This is py of 1. This is py of 2. This is py of 3. There is no more. So this is py of 1, py of 2. y0 is not there. Py of 3. Py of 1 is 6 by 64. Py of 2 is 6 by 64. This is 11 by 64, which is equal to 23 by 64. And then third one, P of x less than or equal to 1, comma y less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3. This we will do it in the next video. Video 7 we will go to.